How's it going, everyone? In today's video, we are taking on a big project that all started with this 30-foot Keystone Sprinter fifth wheel. When we got this RV, it was in rough shape. It had been stripped of a lot of its interior and needed a total makeover. As you can see, even the bed frame was removed. But one of the worst areas was this back wall. It had completely rotted out this left corner here. And as we got into it, all across the bottom was rotten and around the windowsill. So we had to rebuild this entire back wall. Taking this wall off created quite the headache due to the fact that every wire in this entire camper came through this wall and into a control box that was located in the back of the RV. It was definitely a challenge to figure out where each of the wires went in this spider web of wires. Luckily, we labeled them as much as we could to make it easier to put it all back together. Okay, let's show you how we did it. Along the way, I also needed to fix a couple of roof vents. Okay, that about wraps it up for this back wall build. As you can see, we decided to build a long bench here across the back, where from what we researched online, there used to be 2 chairs and a center console here. I think it worked out pretty great and can even be used as an additional spot to sleep after we put a pad on it. Thanks for joining us for this video, everyone. We're going to keep working on this RV, so stay tuned for additional How's It Going videos.